Hi, my name is Jason with McKaig Chevrolet in Gladewater, Texas. What we're going to do today is talk about the 2017 Texas Edition Tahoe with the climate control in the second row seating. If you look right here, you can control actually the fan speed, so you can actually turn it down or off. You also have an auto that you can put it on as well, and then your temperature as well. Also built into this console here, you're going to have your charging port for your cigarette lighter adapter, and then also your standard plug as well. We also do have the heated seats, so you can keep the seats heated in the wintertime. And then above here, you have your vents that you can turn on and off here in the middle, and then also if you go to the back as well, you have them for the third row seating. Again, my name is Jason with McKaig Chevrolet in Gladewater, Texas, the dealer for the people. Thank you and have a great day.